So if you were to go ahead and open up the GIMP application, then this is how it looks like. Over here on the left hand side, you got the tools, you got the options over here. So if you're actually coming up from Photoshop, then this layout may not be familiar for you. So let's say you're coming from Photoshop and you missed that, let's say for example, familiar interface. If that is the case, then you can actually go ahead and utilize this trick. You can go to github.com/deolinux/photogimp right here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and download the source code right here to make your GIMP actually look like Photoshop. So to do that, let me just go ahead and then close off my GIMP right here. So first of all, you need to run GIMP once for this to work. So now, once that is done, now what I'm going to do is on the Explorer, I'm going to go around over here and paste out this particular location right here. So you can see that there's guideline for Windows, for Linux, and then for Mac as well, as you can see. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy out this particular address right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it out right here. So let's just go around and paste it and click enter right here. And you can see that inside there is this folder called 3.2 under GIMP. So now what you simply need to do is you need to go ahead and download out the source code right here. So you can see that there's one for Linux, there's one for Mac. So I'm just going to go ahead and download the PhotoGIMP for Windows right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So once I do that, you can see that PhotoGIMP is downloaded, and inside you can see the 3.0 folder right here. So now let me just go ahead and close it. And what I'm simply going to do is press Ctrl A and then click and drag out all of the files right here. You may want to go ahead and then make a copy of this particular folder 3.2 if you have some important settings in GIMP. Otherwise, it'll simply go ahead and replace it. So now everything has been replaced from this folder, as you can see right here. And now if I were to go ahead and open up GIMP, it says PhotoGIMP by DeoLinux, as you can see right here. Since this is an open source application, people can go ahead and customize it out to whatever they like. And now you can see that the new interface setting is now loading up, which will look much more like Photoshop. So if you are coming from Photoshop and you want to switch to GIMP, then you can go ahead and utilize this. So you can see that much like Photoshop, now you got all of the tools over here on the left, and you got the layer over here on the right, the layer settings, and the options over here on the right. So if I were to go around and click on new, then I got create new image option, and you can see that it looks much closer to Photoshop now, which will help you switch between application if you're planning to switch from Photoshop to GIMP right here, just like this. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe